I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Nir Barkat. He is Israel's Minister of Economy and Industry. Minister, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thank you very much. It's wonderful to close the...
Yes, you just rang the closing bell.
Yeah, the closing bell.
Close the market.
Thank you very much. It's an honor.
So now, Minister, you are actually in New York right now for the UN General Assembly. Tell me, what are you hoping to take away from your visit here to New York?
Well, this is my second trip as a Minister of Economy and Industry. And this trip I want to actually focus on the economic side. Meet a lot of investors and people skilled in the art and the technology world. We're upgrading the strategy for Israel, how to help our entrepreneurs go global faster, and how to use the competitive advantage Israel has on the technology side to make a better world in health, life sciences, in agro-tech and food tech, in security, improving industry, desert tech and climate change. We have many, many startups focusing on how to make a better world. And I'm here to help our companies, our startups, go global better.
All right, so now, Minister, talk to me about the current state of Israel's economy.
Well, I think that one of our biggest competitive advantages is technology. And Israelis are very innovative, very entrepreneurial. We have about 10,000 startups for less than 10 million people. That is, for every 1,000 people, there's one startup. A high ratio of innovation and entrepreneurs. And that's not going to stop. That's going to continue because of many, many issues, because of our challenges in the army and security. And we have a tradition of being very entrepreneurial. And so I believe that people that have invested in Israel in the past and in the future will enjoy competitiveness and innovation that could go global. So from that perspective, Israel is a great place to invest in.
Now, you mentioned innovation. Tell me, what are some of the most interesting and innovative initiatives taking place in Israel that have the potential to significantly impact the country's economy?
Well, let me give you an example in some startups. We have 1,800 startups in the health life sciences space. Really great ideas from services, medical devices, lots of new ideas that could probably change the world in precision medicine, and how do you faster create drugs in 1/10 of the time. Many, many new ideas are in the field of agro-tech and food tech and desert tech. We have a desert in our country. And so you see many, many startups that are in water preservation, in management of water, creation of water, creating food in the desert, managing and saving energy, things that improve quality of life in deserts, which are very relevant for naturally in climate change in this world. So you see many, many companies are focusing on those opportunities. Naturally, lots of homeland security challenges, and lots of improvements on how to make industry more productive. So you find many, many entrepreneurs focusing on these, what we call business clusters, that Israel excels in.
All right, and finally, Minister, in light of the recent political developments in Israel, such as Prime Minister Netanyahu's efforts to reform the Supreme Court, how do you anticipate these changes might impact the nation's economic and investment climate?
Well, first of all, I got to tell you, I'm very proud of our democracy. When you think about hundreds of thousands of people that go out to the streets, by the way, from both sides of the aisle, and demonstrate and care about our future, I'm very proud of our democracy. We'll figure it out. It's a political issue that we have no choice. There's only one Israel. There's only one Jewish democratic state. We strongly believe in our democracy. We sometimes, two Jews have three opinions. Lots of challenges we have on the political side. But eventually, that's the power of Israel. And I'm very proud of that.
All right. Well, Minister, it has been an honor to talk with you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you very much.